Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using PIN code. First thing that I want to notice is that you're trying to enter your personal PIN code on this page and not your SIM card PIN code. I'm only mentioning that because they're oftenly mistaken for each other, and that usually is the problem. But if it's not, and if you still cannot access your device with your PIN code, and you know that you're trying to enter the right one, then maybe your phone is simply lagging, and let's try to fix that by entering the safe mode, where we will disable all third-party applications by default. They will be disabled once you boot into safe mode, and therefore no third-party applications will be working in the background and affecting the way that your phone behaves. So first of all, hold down the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Let me then select reboot and wait until you see the logo, the Mi logo on your screen, and once you see it, start holding down the volume down key and hold it down until your phone vibrates. So, starting now, hold down the volume down key and wait until your phone vibrates. Then you can release the volume down key and just wait until your phone boots into the safe mode. Okay, so once you feel the vibration, just wait until you see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you see it, try entering the PIN code once again, the one that worked for you the last time that you accessed this device. Then, if it works for you now, in such case, and only in such case, go to the fingerprints, face data and screen lock, go to screen lock, then confirm with your PIN code, click next, select turn off screen lock, confirm, and then go back to the home screen and restart your device by holding down the volume up key and the power button and selecting reboot. And in case this solution didn't help you, then the best one for you would be to contact Xiaomi Customer Support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem without removing any personal data from your device. And in case you cannot do that, then the only solution remaining is the factory reset operation. And if you and there are two ways to perform factory reset operation on your phone. The first one is using the Find Hub service by Google. What you have to do in such case is use any other device with internet connection to sign into your Google account that is linked to this phone on Find Hub service on the internet. So you can you can look it up with your browser in your search engine. Just search for Find Hub, and once you find it, sign in. Then select this smartphone on the list, and once you do that, all you have to do is select factory reset. And once you select factory reset, just wait until your phone is fully reset, and then set it up as a new device. But in case you cannot do this either, you can still perform factory reset operation locally using recovery mode. And if you need some help in your way, we have an entire video on our channel that is titled how to perform factory resets through recovery mode on this phone, and it will show you everything step by step, so that you can be sure that you will do everything right. And once you perform the factory reset through recovery mode, your phone also will be reset to the primary state, and you'll have to set it up as a new device. And that's That will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.